Are you ready to master web development this year? Python, a versatile and powerful programming language, is your key to success. From data analytics to artificial intelligence, Python's applications are vast. But today, we'll focus on its role in web development, exploring frameworks, real-world examples, and essential steps for front-end development. Python is frequently used for web development due to its dynamic typing and ease of debugging. This means Python scripts can be executed directly without the need for compilation, making the development process faster and more efficient. Web developers often combine Python for server-side layers and JavaScript for the front end. Popular web frameworks like Flask and Django simplify back-end coding, making Python an excellent choice for web development. According to Statista, 49.28% of developers use Python, highlighting its popularity and effectiveness in the field. Python offers a variety of web frameworks that cater to different development needs. Django is known for its scalability, speed, and security, making it ideal for rapid development and testing. Flask, on the other hand, provides basic functionality with the flexibility to add extensions as needed. Web 2.py is a lightweight framework that includes essential libraries like the database abstraction layer and template language. These frameworks come with pre-built functionalities, saving developers time and effort in coding from scratch. Choosing the right framework depends on your specific project requirements. Python is used by many popular websites and applications. Netflix, for instance, relies on Python for its recommendation engine and security features. Python is used throughout the entire content lifecycle, said Netflix developers. Reddit uses Python to handle server-side code, translating browser requests into HTML. Spotify employs Python for about 80% of its backend services, including its data analytics tool, Luigi. Dropbox has powered both its server and client sides with Python since its inception, benefiting from the language's usability and support for multiple cloud platforms. Quora and Uber also utilize Python for efficient feature development and backend operations. Front-end development involves several key steps. First, website design begins with HTML, the foundation of every website. CSS, or Cascading Style Sheet, controls the design and presentation of HTML elements. JavaScript is essential for controlling web page behavior, enabling dynamic interactions like clicking buttons and scrolling. jQuery, a popular JavaScript library, provides efficient DOM manipulation tools, allowing developers to create dynamic web pages with minimal code. Finally, learning a front-end framework like Ember or React can enhance your understanding of full-stack development. Familiarity with Python basics and web frameworks like Django and Flask is crucial for implementing business logic and handling data. Python's versatility and ease of use make it a powerful tool for web development. From popular frameworks like Django and Flask to real-world applications by companies like Netflix and Spotify, Python proves its worth in the digital age. By mastering Python and understanding the steps of front-end development, you can create dynamic, efficient, and scalable web applications. So dive into Python and elevate your web development skills this year.